Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Oreo chocolate dessert. It is a 5-layer dessert, but it is very easy to make using very simple ingredients. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. For the first layer, we are going to take one sliced cake. We are going to smash all of them together with a spoon. Then we are going to take the glass in which we will make the dessert and add all of the cake to it. Now when you've put all the cake, then use the underside of a glass to push the cake together. Use a spoon to push the sides. Now put the glass aside, and for the second layer take a bowl and put some chunks of chocolate in it. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk to the bowl. Now put this in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds till the chocolate melts. After the chocolate melts, take it out of the oven and stir it properly. Then add butter to it. 1 teaspoon of butter is enough. Now mix all of it together until a thick consistency comes. Add more milk to liquefy the chocolate. Now take the glass and add the chocolate above the cake. Do not add the complete bowl of chocolate, add till the cake can't be seen anymore. Now when you've covered the cake completely with chocolate, keep the glass in the fridge for 10 minutes at least. Now for the third layer, take 2 10 rupees packets of vanilla Oreos. Then separate the discs and scrape out the vanilla to another bowl and put the biscuits in a mixer. Now to the white cream, add milk, then add some butter. 1 teaspoon of each is enough. Then mix it all together. The cream will take some time to dissolve together. Add more milk to liquefy the cream. After some time, whisk the cream together. Now add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to the cream. Then again whisk the cream. Then add another 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And then whisk the cream again. This makes the cream a little frothy. Then take the glass out of your fridge and add the cream on top of the chocolate. After you have added the cream completely, then keep it in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Now for the fourth layer, paste all of the Oreos in a mixer and put it in a bowl. Now gradually add little amount of butter to the bowl till the Oreo forms lumps. When the Oreo has formed lumps, then take out the glass and add all the Oreos on top of the cream. Again use the underside of the glass and push all of the Oreos together. Even the side using a spoon. Now pour the rest of your chocolate on top of the Oreo layer. After you have added all of the chocolate, put the glass in the fridge for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I have taken the glass out of the fridge and added one whole Oreo and then a half Oreo on top of the chocolate. Here we have our 5-layer Oreo chocolate dessert. Enjoy! If you liked the video, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.